ADMA stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch the short 1-minute video till the end, find out. First thing on the list is going to be my previous idea was so on point. Like, so on point. There you go. 2 months back. Beautiful. I mean, it's... Let me show you instead of just selling.
Correct.
There you go. Here's the proof.
Oh, good, man. Like, I'm just not going to buy anything randomly.
Right, there you go. And since this has cooked like before, I'm just looking to double down on this beautiful bullish market. So how is this going to look like particular? Well, I have this demand and the tops here. All I care about is a pull down and then a double break. And guess what? If I don't get that, then why the heck do I even bother buying? Like, because I've done it 40,000 times. I'm just saying. But if you want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10K per month without indicators, then just click the first link in the description, get my free emails. Goodbye and enjoy.